What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm Shatoyalynn. Today we are going to be making some Soulja Boy burgers. Yeah, I said it, Soulja Boy burgers. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. And guys, we're going to be doing these Soulja burgers in very simple ingredients. We just need some yellow cheese, some patties, bun, Larry's seasoning, and some mustard. Alright, so here's a little preview.
The Soulja Burger, I had them. Everybody loves the Soulja Burger. Look, I'm the first rapper to do it. Zoom in on that. Come on, man. We don't do no captain. Y'all think we just sit here talking just to be talking on BET?
Alright, guys, so that's what we're going to be doing, some Soulja burgers. Let's get it.
When I came home from jail is really when I really started cooking. I never cooked my whole life. My whole life I really just hot pockets in the microwave, cereal, fast food, stuff like that. When I went to jail, I learned how to cook. It's crazy to sound in the cell though, like hot water and woo woo woo. So in my head I was thinking like, man, if I can make nachos and all this different stuff in jail, imagine what I can make once I get home. All right, right now I'm heating up the pot. Oh, that's the wrong one. Y'all ain't see that. Edit that out. Make sure the pot get hot, you know what I'm saying? So as soon as I throw the burger in there, it's lit. Now, to keep it G with y'all, I don't never do this. Now we finna throw the burger in the pot. Now this is the most special part. You gotta pick the right burger. Now this burger, I ain't feeling that burger. We gotta lift it real delicately, real gently.
Alright, guys, so we are going to...
Yeah. Big Draco, now once you hit start sizzling like that, you Gucci.
Like
now we in action.
Boy.
Don't touch nothing, just let it sit. Just chill, you know what I'm saying? It's in the sun right now. It's cooling. Now you wanna just sneak up on it like, you gotta catch it from the right angle, you gotta, you know what I'm saying? Then you wanna just, yo, now we got action. Look, Big T, get this, don't miss this. You gonna wanna zoom in on this right here now. This is the official Soulja Burger. It ain't never been did before nowhere in the United States, in America, in the world. We in the game. Now look, you don't want it to be too pink, you don't want it to be too burnt, you don't want it to be too burnt, you want it to be just right. So you gotta just catch the eyesight from the salad. Okay, boom. 1, 2, 10. All right, you gotta sneak up in there. Yeah, and now we
then he put some Larry's seasoning.
Now look, this is the secret. You gotta add the season while the burger still in the pot, you know what I'm saying? Take the little seasoning and just, bam! Oh, you don't wanna put too much, you don't wanna put too little. You want to put it just the right amount, you know what I'm saying? Now we got action. This is what you call action. Light, camera, action. How you wanna catch it? It's gonna be, you got 2 more clips and we about done. You ready? Oh my God, I'm kidding. Now we gonna put a little bit more sauce on the other side, because we only got sauce on one side. You don't want sauce on each side, seasoning on each side. You ready? Just a little bit right there. Gotta measure, just gotta hit it with it. Oh my God. Now you just wanna say, there we go, BT. All right, now you wanna let that sit for like 12 seconds. Now that's good eating. Hashtag good eating. Hashtag Soulja Burger. Hashtag cooking fire. Y'all ready? It's all in the wrist. I got it. I catch it right now. You ready? Y'all ready? Oh my God!
It doesn't take long.
Draco. Take a little slice of cheese right there, right there. Bam! Now you wanna take the cheese? It's like the Krabby Patty. They try to steal this from me. Now look. You gotta take it right in. Oh my God. And you want to throw the cheese right on top of it. It's over.
Alright, so what Soulja said is you want to throw that cheese up on there like that.
Like $199.99.
And then we just gonna wait for that cheese to
$200
melt.
at a good restaurant for the Soulja Burger. You ain't gonna never see this nowhere. This is good. Amazing. This is delicate. This is 10 out of 10. We're gonna take a little mustard.
I like to cover it so it can
One
melt
dot at the top.
faster.
1 dot on the side. Smiley face. We getting money. That's the Soulja Burger. All right, y'all ready? Behold, the Soulja Burger.
Alright, so here's the cheeseburger. And we gonna sneak up on it like this, like Soulja
My
said.
whole life. And that's what I can make once I get home. Oh my God, I'm killing 1, 2, 10. Damn, that shit
All
good
right,
as
we got that thing
no
sitting
pink,
pretty.
no meat,
Now,
no
he
good.
said
I think that was the best burger
you
I ever
wanna
made
do
in my life.
a dot right
If you want to
here.
make your own Soulja Burger, check out the ingredients in the video. Make sure you tag us at Soulja Boy at
And then you do another dot here. And then he said you make a happy face. And then you put the bun on. And then you got you a Soulja Burger. Tell him. There you go. Take your first bite of the Soulja Burger.